What am I going to do in D.C. for 2 years?
You got a real dilemma, Mr. President.
I can't go every day, can I?
Which you like better, these or these?
Joe, they're the same.
They capture different moods.
Joe, I need some focus here.
Comes in there during aviator time, thinks everything.
I'm sorry, what's that?
I said, Mr. President, you had to be practical. And look, you can drive again, you're going to need a license. You love sports. Why don't you volunteer to work for one of the teams around here?
Is this the Washington Wizards? I understand it's the tiniest towns in Delaware. You see it in the incredible loyalty of his staff, the team who knows that family always comes before work because Joe tells them so every day. The team that reflects their boss's humble service here in this building where there have been no turf wars between our staffs because everybody here has understood that we were all on the same mission and shared the same values. There's just been cooperation and camaraderie, and that is rare.
Man, you're hard to keep up with.
You did good out there, but after a good workout, got a drink up?
All right.
Otherwise, we're going to be in trouble with Jill and Michelle.
Just let Michelle know I did drink this, all right?
Same time next week?
Same time next week.
All right. Decide to take a walk. How's it going, everybody? How are you?
Stick to your guns. Stick to your guns.
How you doing? How are you? Can I shake your hand? Good to see you. How are you? Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
How are you? How are you, sir? Good to see you. Tell everybody good day down there. Right now, this establishment is providing a 10% discount to all federal workers who are on furlough. What's the cookie? What's the cookie? We can end this shutdown. A whole bunch of families, not just here in Washington, but all across the country, will have the certainty that a paycheck will be coming, that they'll be able to make their mortgage, that they'll be able to pay their expenses, that they'll be able to look after their families, and we can get back to what we should be focused on every single day, and that's how we make sure that we've got a strong middle class in this country, that anybody who's willing to work hard can get ahead. And when it comes to negotiations, I've said I am happy to have negotiations with the Republicans and Speaker Boehner on a whole range of issues. But we can't do it with a gun held to the head of the American people. So reopen the government, make sure we're paying our bills, two basic functions that Congress has, and take your cues from folks like this, who are more interested in making sure that everybody is being treated fairly and properly and less interested in politics and scoring points. There are staff all across the country in rural areas who are working for the Agricultural Department, who are working for Veterans Affairs, who are on their job despite the fact that they're not getting paid or have been sent home and want to be on their job because they're looking after their fellow citizens on a whole range of services. And as long as they're off the job, nobody's winning. And that's the point. What'd you get?
I got the 9th Street.
Now, I'm paying for Joe, so don't take his money.
I just said I was paying for you.
No. Now, somebody said that there was the race street was good too.
Yes, that is.
Is that good?
Yes, it's turkey.
Let's try that out.
All right.
All right, so I'm going to get a race street, 9th Street.
What do you want to drink?
I think I'm just going to have water.
You give them some John Boehner.
I say you try the chocolate chip macadamia.
Which one's that?
That's what he got.
Take a taste.
No. Go ahead.
Take a taste.
A Royale. Coconut, macadamia nut.
That's the taste of cookie right there.
Yeah.
I think we're going to have to get one of those. All right, so we got.
Would you like yours original or wheat bread?
I got the wheat bread. That way I can tell Michelle I was eating healthy.
There you go.
Yeah.
This the manager, the general manager.
He looks like he's in charge.
Yeah. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be here.
Huh? He seems like a good guy.
Come on up, get your hoagies.
Sorry about the wait. We got history in Taylor.
Huh?
All right, thanks guys. Keep it up.
He's coming by.
Appreciate you.
Might be out front of the store. Picture might be. Don't give in.
I have no intention.
Keep it up.
Good to see you.
Hi, Mr. President. Nice to see you.
How are you? Keep up the good work. Thank you, President. Appreciate it, guys. All right.
Mr. President.
Good to see you, sir.
Thank you for your service, sir.
Good to see you. Oh, you want a little fist bump? All right. Good to see you.
Thank you for your service, sir.
Nice to meet you, Mr. President.